Hello everyone, this is Michael and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will show you how to test payment in Shopify using the Bogus Gateway. So you navigate to your Shopify admin and go down to settings, click on settings and navigate to payments. You click on payments, then you choose a payment provider. Choose a provider. Down here you will see numerous gateways, so you will choose the for testing, which is the Bogus Gateway. Then you click on it. Once you click on it, you will see descriptions. One of the description is to simulate an approved transaction, decline transaction, and the gateway failure. So you activate the Bogus Gateway. Alright, it's activated right now. So next we go to the Shopify store. Then you scroll down to the product section. Let's select a product from here. Okay, let's select a shoe. This is a sports shoe. So you can choose any color of your choice. Let's say black color. Then the shoe size 40, yeah. Let's click on 40. Then you click buy it now. So down here you fill in your details, your contact details, your email address or your phone number. So let's add the email address. Just you can create any email address for it. Then your first name and your last name. Then your address. So the shipping method is about 6,000. Then you add your card details. This is any number. Just add any number of your choice. You can add 1 or 2 or 3, just any number. Because this is not a real transaction, it's just for Shopify bogus testing. Alright. Let's make this 0326. Then the security code, you can use anything 111222, but I'll use 060. Then you click pay now. Now the order has been placed and this is the confirmation ID and it says thank you Mike. You can see everything is okay. So let's navigate to the email to see the confirmation. Now you can see the order from the email. That is the Shopify's email address. So it says Micah Enterprise, which is the Shopify's name. Then order 1004 placed by Mike Ochman. So you can see it's working. The gateway is working for payments and order. So this is how to test your Shopify bogus payments. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, turn on the notification button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Alright, thank you and see you in the next video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.